There has been several schools of thought concerning lithium battery and tubular battery, but here is my opinion. Whether tubular battery or lithium battery, both are good, but there are few things you need to know before you make your decision on which one to buy. Number one is that in terms of cost, lithium battery is much more expensive than tubular battery. Number two is that in terms of durability, both are durable, but lithium battery is more durable than tubular batteries. And number three is that if you are going for lithium battery is maintenance free, but tubular battery is not maintenance free. It means that if you are going for tubular batteries, you need to constantly maintain it after installation. Number four is the space. If you are installing lithium battery does not occupy so much space compared to the amount of space tubular battery will occupy, especially if you are installing 4 batteries, 8 batteries, 12 batteries, 16 batteries and more. Is going to occupy a larger space. Another thing you need to know is that in terms of depth of discharge, you can take up to 80, 90, even 100% if you are using a lithium battery, but if you are using a tubular battery, you can only take like 50 to 60% out of it. What DOD means is that, let's say a battery is rated 200 amps for example, and the manufacturer states that the DOD of this particular battery is 50%. It means that out of the 200 amp hour, you can only take 100 amp hour from the battery. So in the case of lithium battery, you can discharge the battery to like 80, 90, even 100%. But tubular battery, you can only take 50 to 60% depending on how the manufacturer designed it. In terms of lifespan, lithium battery has a longer lifespan compared to tubular battery. Some lithium battery has a lifespan of between 7 to 15 years, while tubular batteries has the lifespan of about 3 to 4 years. Please note that it doesn't mean that you cannot use tubular battery more than 3-4 years. You can use tubular battery for as long as 6, 7, even 10 years if it is well maintained and managed. If you like this video, please like and share so that other people can see it as well. And if you have any inquiry, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp or via our social media handles, or you can also put a call through. See you in another video.